Hey there, space explorers. I'm Alex, your kid astronaut guide, and welcome to an amazing adventure through the solar system. Rocket whoosh. Imagine blasting off from Earth like a superhero. Today, we're going to discover 10 mind-blowing space facts that will make your jaw drop. Did you know our planet Earth is like a cozy blue marble spinning in space? It's the only place we know with oceans, animals, and yummy ice cream. Giggle, but wait, there's so much more out there. Buckle up as we zoom past the clouds and into the stars. What's waiting for us first? Our friendly moon. Get ready for some lunar magic. Isn't space exciting? Whoosh, we're leaving Earth behind, but let's talk about our home first. Earth is the third planet from the sun, just right for life. Not too hot, not too cold, like the perfect bowl of porridge. Slurp sound, it has a protective blanket called the atmosphere that keeps us safe from space rocks. And guess what? Earth spins so fast it makes day and night in 24 hours. That's why we have birthdays every year. Imagine if it spun slower. We'd have super long days for endless playtime. But now, as we head to the moon, remember Earth is our starting point for all adventures. Up next, the moon's bouncy secrets. Can you jump as high as on the moon? Hop, hop, we've landed on the moon, or should I say bounced? Boing sound, the moon is Earth's best buddy, always tagging along on our orbit. It's about 239,000 miles away, which is like 30 Earths lined up. But here's the cool fact. There's no air or water there, so you weigh less and can jump super high 6 times higher than on Earth. Imagine dunking a basketball without even trying. Cheer, astronauts left footprints that are still there because no wind blows them away. The moon even causes tides on Earth, making oceans dance. Wow, isn't that magical? But don't get too comfy. A rocket's firing up for Mars next. Red planet, here we come. Zooming past the moon, we're arriving at Mars, the red planet that looks like a big rusty ball. Russell sound. Mars is half the size of Earth and has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. You could climb it for weeks. It might have had rivers long ago, and today, rovers like Perseverance are hunting for signs of ancient life. Imagine little microbes splashing in Martian puddles. Splash days on Mars are almost like Earth's, but years are twice as long, so happy birthday twice. But Mars is chilly, averaging minus 80 degrees. BRR. Next, we'll dodge some space rocks in the asteroid belt. Hold on tight. Dodging asteroids left and right. This is the asteroid belt, a rocky playground between Mars and Jupiter. Clang, there are millions of these space boulders, leftovers from when the solar system was born 4.6 billion years ago. The biggest is Ceres, like a dwarf planet with its own gravity. Some asteroids even have moons. Imagine playing tag with mini planets. Scientists think they hold clues to how Earth got water. No wonder they're treasures. But watch out, we don't want to bump into one. Zoom safely through, now onto Jupiter, the king of planets. It's so big, you could fit 1,300 Earths inside. Get ready for gas giant greatness. Whoa, look at Jupiter, the largest planet, bigger than all others combined. Gasp, it's a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium, like floating on a balloon sea. That famous Great Red Spot is a storm that's raged for over 300 years, big enough to swallow Earth twice. Jupiter has over 90 moons, including Europa with a hidden ocean under ice, maybe fish swimming there. Imagine diving in. It protects us from asteroids by pulling them in like a cosmic vacuum. Thanks, Jupiter, but it's super windy up to 400 miles per hour. Hold your hat. Next stop, Saturn and its fancy rings. You won't believe how sparkly they are. Twinkle, twinkle, Saturn's rings are the solar system's jewelry box. Sparkle sound, these aren't solid. They're thousands of icy chunks and rocks orbiting, some as small as snowflakes, others as big as mountains. The rings span 175,000 miles, but are super thin, like a pizza less than a foot thick. Saturn has 145 moons, including Titan with lakes of methane, rainy but not water. Imagine skating on alien puddles. Saturn's less dense than water. It could float in a bathtub. Bubbly planet. Our adventure's heating up. Now let's tilt over to Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants with sideways spins. Weird, right? Rolling into the outer planets, Uranus is blue-green and spins on its side, like it's doing a cosmic cartwheel. Whoosh, maybe a big crash knocked it over long ago. It's so cold, minus 357 degrees, with diamonds raining inside. Neptune, the windiest, has gusts up to 1,500 miles per hour faster than a race car. Its deep blue color comes from methane, and it has a faint ring system too. These ice giants are far but beautiful. Imagine ice skating on diamond snow. Freezing fun, but our solar system's end leads to vast stars. Preparing for the wow, galaxies beyond, eyes wide open. Beyond our planets, stars sparkle like diamonds in a giant black blanket. Welcome to the Galaxy Club. Twinkle, our Milky Way has over 100 billion stars, and it's a spiral like a cosmic pinwheel. Galaxies are huge families of stars, gas, and dust, some smashing into each other slowly over millions of years. Imagine playground tag in space. The nearest galaxy is Andromeda, coming for a visit in 4 billion years. But here's a teaser for the big wow. What if stars get eaten? SHH, black holes coming up. This is the heart of our adventure. Prepare to be amazed. SHH, don't get too close. Black holes are super dense spots where gravity pulls everything in, even light. Swallow gulp fact 10. They're like invisible vacuums at galaxy centers, born from dying stars collapsing. The one in our Milky Way is 4 million times the sun's mass. Time slows near them, hours for you could be years for friends far away. Wow, time travel? Sort of, but they're not monsters, they help shape galaxies. Imagine a black hole as a hungry whirlpool in space. Thrilling, huh? Our journey's peaking next. Meet the brave astronauts who make it real. Being an astronaut is the coolest job, floating in space, fixing satellites, and eating space ice cream. Yum, they've walked on the moon, lived on the ISS orbiting Earth 250 miles up, going 17,500 miles per hour. That's 16 sunrises a day. Training is tough, like underwater spacewalks, but worth it to explore. Fun fact, space makes your spine stretch, so you grow taller up there. Stretch sound, astronauts grow veggies in space now. Future explorers like you could be next. Our journey's almost over, but the wonder stays. Time to rocket back to Earth and dream big. And we're home, space explorers. Gentle landing, what an epic trip. From Earth's spin to black hole mysteries, the universe is full of wonders waiting for you. Remember, every star, planet, and galaxy tells a story of endless possibilities. Imagine if you were the next Alex, discovering new facts. Keep looking up, asking questions, and dreaming big. The sky's not the limit. Thanks for joining this adventure on Space Explorers. If you loved these facts, hit like, subscribe for more cosmic quests, and comment your favorite planet below. Until next time, keep exploring. Cheerful music fade.